Microservices add complexity to an application, but are unavoidable as your team grows. Ultimately, you should be able to move to and from microservices without any hassle. Let's look at 3 teams working on separate microservices in a retail application. One team is responsible for storing and searching products. They use a document and search database. Another team is responsible for social features. They use a graph database for complex relationships. The third team is responsible for system observability and telemetry. They use a time series database to store and visualize events. The teams could choose purpose-built databases from several different providers, but that adds a lot of complexity because each database needs to be deployed and scaled separately, and they may not be available in the same geographic zones. Redis Enterprise lets you use multiple purpose-built models in a single database. Now, the teams can simplify their architecture by using Redis JSON for products, Redis Search for secondary indexes, Redis Graph for complex relationships, and Redis Time Series for telemetry. Redis Enterprise reduces the complexity of your microservices, letting you focus on solving business problems at scale.